Hello, dancers. I'm Daniel Waters, and today I'm here with Emily. And today we're going to show you a little cumbia combination. Okay, so we're going to start with a step back, then we're going to cross, uncross, and kick. Take a step back, cross, uncross, and a little kick. One more time. Step back, cross, uncross, and a little kick. Back, cross, uncross, and a little kick. Now from here, we're gonna make a little house. This is our house, and Emily is gonna go under the house. One, two, three, four. Kick on four as always. We're gonna repeat that one more time. So three basics. You go one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Build the house, and then this time I'm gonna go underneath the house. Underneath the house and kick. Now you're gonna want to get away from your partner with a back, cross, uncross, and kick, and then you get close to your partner. So you gotta pull them in and you kick. Repeat two more times. And away from each other, close together, kick. Away from each other, kick. Close together, kick. Now, here comes the fun part. You're gonna grab your partner's hand and you're gonna spin them around. One, two, three, four. And then you're gonna go side to side and you go one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. From here, you wanna turn them out so you can uncross the hands and you're gonna keep going. For Emily, she's just gonna open with that same right leg and then close it three times. And you open and close. Open and close. Finally, you open, and now we're gonna get away from each other one more time. And I go underneath and kick. Perfect. We're almost done, dancers. You're doing great. We're gonna do one more basic. Basic to the side. And I go switch my hands, kick. Nice. Now from here, we're gonna
Open and close and open and close and open and close and open and close. And on the fifth one, we're going to open and then we're switching spots. Perfect. So all you have to do is three little steps and you can do half a turn or a turn and a half to make it look super awesome. We're going to open and close one more time, open and close one more time, open and close one more time, and open. This time on the fourth one, we're going to switch spots. Again, you can do a turn, half a turn, turn and a half. Okay.
Alright dancers, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe because we have new videos every single week. Bye!